It's so nice being in a house with aircon. It's like actually amazing. It makes such a difference. And flat ground is nice too. Things we take for granted. Bless me. Mm-hmm. But yeah, I'm gonna keep loading things and clearing more footage, chasing around more poor animals, annoying them. Keep learning about stuff slowly. It's good. Bless me. Gosh.